Yeah, me come in my bathroom to do that video. And the thing about it, when me get to find out, you have some people in this world where are them talk about bad mind and them talk about covetous and them talk about envious and all of them things. Them give for them put the baddest upon other people, but them not say the bad what them are do for themselves. And the thing about it, even like some of the people them where they on social media, they will want you to like and share everything where them put out. But when you put out, it's coming like I have no concern to them. This like and share business and subscribe is only work with them alone getting the like and the subscribe for themselves alone, because of them alone. They're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and wherever. You see, the thing about it, all of us are pagans on this like and share business. Because they talk about love, there are some people that have no love. Even if you have no care what positive you say out of your mouth, them just don't want to hear your positiveness. They want to you have to like and share for them positiveness, what them claim to say a positiveness. But anyway, when me want to put across the table, you see, if you want like and share it, like and share it. Who want subscribe to it, subscribe to it. It's left up to them. Me not force nobody to like and share and subscribe to my thing. But the truth is about it. Jamaica, in our whole, their country, so all of them kids that will continue missing out of Jamaica. Jamaica is supposed to be a country where civilized. We have some of the most civilized set of people in the world. Usain Bolt was same civilized. The Miss World was civilized. The Jamaica Prime Minister was civilized, and whole heap or more was civilized. So the thing about it, what the whole world know about civilization and Jamaica. So why Jamaica can't civilize themselves? We have school bus. You see, Jamaica, every parish of Jamaica. I'm not talking about no parish, no special parish like you have to put it at one parish, and the next Jamaica have a transport center where them building a Arthur Jamaica, and the capital of St. Andrew. Them called Arthur. Okay, then the government have spent all this money on tourism. Spend all this money on tourism are bringing all amount of money for tourism. Tourists make $3.8 billion last year. Last year alone, 2018, or 2019, You see, I don't know exactly how much they make 2018, but they make $3.8 billion for tourism. Last year, 2019. Alright, then calculate it. Jamaica is a country like this where have so much primary school where the government supposed to can some of the money where them borrow. Them can borrow, like for instance, say half a dozen bus. You see? Half a dozen bus are them we come together with every Jamaican that were overseas. We have them parish in Jamaica and respect and love them family. You see? We need to come together. The whole of we Jamaican people need to come together and start protect children. Protect children. We're supposed to Jamaica civilized enough that we can have school bus, We pick up children from one location to the next and then have them mix up in a normal bus, man. If them go and mix up in a normal bus and get caught up in a rapture, them and them parents, they on them own. But every parent supposed to obligate them children to use school bus from 1 to 16. Come see 1 year ago school. You see, look at 1 year old clever like the back and some of them can't go to basic school. Some of them were so clever. 2-year-old, 3-year-old. So clever that for instance, all basic school them start at young age. So the thing about it when me I say and I try to put across the table, all of us Jamaicans need to come together as one. If the people who are kill people, like for instance, their life don't have them significance. And them so them kill you 2 days or 3 days after, somebody will kill them back. You see? None of the people who see in Jamaica who kill people. After a certain time, you hear them dead in them Clark's booty. Because the thing about it is coming like it's a style that go on. If you look on a man get gunshot on the street, you look on him foot, you have a Clark's. So the thing about it, Jamaica people, we need to start get civilized and start to save our kids them. We need to start to get civilized and try to save our kids them. Put our kids them under protection. We need to get Jamaica, every parish from the east to the west, the north and the south. All of the kids them in Jamaica will go private school, primary school, all-age school and comprehensive school and no care what kind of school in Jamaica to go to school bus. School bus pick them up in the morning and put them back in the evening. We're not supposed to say we pick them on roadside. Jamaica, please, Jamaica, and I like what Jamaica can do it, you know. We waste so much money in a Brazilian here. Which no we don't want no Brazil. Somehow we waste so much money. Try to put them entertainer them up on top. About every show them keep. Which when they did, some of them not even contribute nothing at all back to them community. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Look at all the one that come from St. Thomas. And we know that St. Thomas them come from. Where them do to St. Thomas? Nothing at all. Not a thing. Them do for them own parish. God bless and have mercy and the blood of Jesus cover up over all of the little run of them where Usain Bolt and them little rest of people where Asaba Paul and all the little people where put all them thing and big up Shaggy to the max. Big Shaggy up to the max where I do something. So Jamaica people can see say yes, he might do something. But all the rest is just hyping guns and killing. All the rest is just hyping guns and killing. How much of them can fuck the most girl, how much of them can do this, how much of that. Are some waste things will not even make no sense and have no significance of life. Jamaica people will need to come together and put a school bus system in Jamaica to protect our kids then. Protect our kids then. We need to protect our kids them and protect our women them. Because if we not protect the woman them, no woman are dead. And if we not protect the kids them, the children of today is the children of tomorrow, the older age of tomorrow. Even the government of Jamaica, he might just 47-year-old, him still in them kids farm. Because the man that if he catch 50 years, the youngest prime minister ever ruled in this world, he's still in them kids farm. You know? So what we do towards young people? What the government doing towards young people? What the government do to all young people? Pernell Charles Jr. As Pernell Charles runs St. Thomas with so much here. What Pernell Charles do for St. Thomas? I bet I mean I have an Errol Anderson space, I rather in a film space. Because Errol Anderson is the only politician who me see come in a St. Thomas. We do something for St. Thomas where the whole entire St. Thomas can talk about it up to the day. God have mercy upon that man's soul. You see? God have mercy upon his soul. People of Jamaica, we need to come together and put school bus system in Jamaica. I talk to all of the artists them, all of the runner them, all of the celebrity them, all of the top man them, where for instance we have used their money to buy guns. You see, just start put it in some school bus so we can save the kids them. Bus pick them up on them yard and carry them back on them yard. Them parents know exactly where them is. Then the bus sign for each and every one of them when them going to the school in the morning and anyone at all, now come out of the school in the evening, the school is supposed to alert and the parents supposed to alert at the same time. It's all about saving our kids then. Like, subscribe, share, please, if you do not mind, and make the message go across. Viewers and subscribers. Peace out.